Possessive pronouns. What are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns show ownership or possession.
Los pronombres posesivos indican que algo pertenece a alguien.
Mine,
Mío, mía.
yours,
Tuyo, tuya.
his,
Suyo, de él.
hers,
Suyo, de ella.
its,
Suyo, de cosa animal.
ours,
Nuestro, nuestra.
theirs.
Suyo, de ellos, ellas.
Important rule. Possessive pronouns replace the noun. This book is mine. This is my book, mine.
No necesitan sustantivo después.
Examples. This car is mine.
Este coche es mío.
That house is hers.
Esa casa es suya.
The blue bag is theirs.
La bolsa azul es de ellos.
Possessive adjectives versus pronouns. Possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, are, their.
Siempre van con un sustantivo.
Possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs.
No llevan sustantivo.
This book is mine. Thanks for watching.